Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. I am finally back to do another page in the Low Income Savings Challenge coloring book. It's been a minute, but it's the holidays currently, so I do have some downtime so we can get started. As always, if you're interested in this book, I always leave a link in the description box below. So I have been working on this book. It's a very affordable book. I have to check. It used to be less than $10 on Amazon. And so it's a fun way to color and save if you're into that kind of thing. And as you can see, I've made quite a bit of progress. So today I figured we'd do a chit chat and a little bit of a catch up. I can kind of tell you what's been going on with me, and we can always save some money. So of course I haven't done one of these in a while because my money is in the bank in electronic format, but like I said, I do have some cash, and I figured this would be a good time to do a cash stuffing. So on this page, this was the 400 Savings Challenge in 40 Days page, and we are going to add up the numbers here to complete this page, color it in, and stuff some cash. So on this page, it is 9 plus 10 plus 15 plus 20, and that equals $54. So I'm going to check and see if I have $54 or close to $54. I should. So we're getting, let's see. Let's see what I have. Okay. 20, 30, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Where? No. So let's do this. Wait. Let's do some more. Let's stuff us a good blue band. Let's do that. How about that? So we would need $46 more. So we'll do a lot of coloring then. We'll find, let's see, this row, 54 plus 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6. That gets us to 68 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus, let's see, that's 89. And let's just say plus 10. That's probably as close as I can get us. And so that puts us all the way here, and 99, and we will just stuff $100. How about that? All right, so we will do some coloring and catching up. So like I said, it's been a while since I have filmed. It's probably been a couple of months since I did this, but I have continued to save. Of course, I've just been saving electronically because my youngest son did go off to college when we last left off. I probably talked to you all a little bit about that. And he has completed his first semester away at college. So that has been going well. And we have been traveling a lot back and forth to visit him because he is a student athlete. So he plays football, and he did not have the flexibility to come home. So we had to go see him because it was football season, the first semester of college. So that's where I've been. That's been taking up most of my weekends. Been doing that, and football season is finally over now. And of course, with football season being over, we've gone straight into the holidays. So I spent the rest of my time, once we were done with the traveling and being in all the hotels and stuff, started getting ready for the holidays. And with the holidays, we've been traveling. And so if you're seeing this, I don't know when you'll see this, but tomorrow is Christmas, and I'm actually hosting everybody for Christmas. So that's why you see this red background here, but I'm going to be hosting everybody. So I just haven't had a lot of downtime to sit and film. It even took me a while to figure out how to set up the camera. So finally got the camera set up again so that I could do the coloring and get my coloring supplies together. And I'll probably do quite a few of these because, like I said, for me, it's currently the holidays, and hopefully I'll have some time, a couple of days to film. So how have y'all been doing with your savings? Have y'all been saving money? Have you been putting it away? How has this year been for you? Has it been a good year? Has it been a challenging year? Oh, I'm going outside the lines a little bit. I know a lot has been going on with layoffs and job loss. So hopefully you all are doing well, and hopefully you have not been impacted by that. With the layoffs that I've seen, I've even seen some people that have gone through multiple layoffs at this point. And to be quite honest, it's just, I guess, even more of a reason to start saving money, because you just never know when life can take a turn, and you want to be as prepared as possible. So that's what this helps with. Also, I'm a person, I just like the cash. There's something about having cash that just makes me feel a little more secure. Of course, I've got all the things, you know, the high yield savings account and all that stuff, but there's nothing like cold hard cash. I definitely feel like cash is king. And even when I was traveling for the fall visiting my son, I never went out of town without cash, because I don't know about you all, but I have had instances where I've traveled out of town and for whatever reason, my card wouldn't work. So of course, luckily I'm always, you know, my family's there, my husband's there, so that wouldn't be that big of an issue. But for me, I just feel more secure having cash on me, because when all else fails, you know, I haven't been too many places that don't take cash. So it just makes me feel secure. And then, like I said, we've been going to the football games, and those are stadiums, and so even they accept cash, so that's good. I also feel like it helps me stay within budget. But yeah, that's it. Just paying attention to all the craziness of the year that has been going on. And I thought, you know, now is probably a good time to get back to this cash stuffing and checking in on the people to see how everybody's doing, and making sure we're all saving our, I shouldn't even say pennies anymore, because I think those pennies are going away, but saving our nickels, dimes, quarters, and dollars. So we're going to do these last two, 7, 9, and 10. I should have bought a purple, but I didn't bring a purple. So we'll just start back over with the red here. There we go. But yeah, so I did, as far as my Christmas shopping, so my youngest son has a December birthday. So we have a tradition where we don't celebrate Christmas until after his birthday. We don't do anything Christmas related. We don't put up any decorations, because we don't want his birthday to be overshadowed by Christmas. So I'm a person that does not put up my tree, and I don't start decorating until the second week of Christmas, because we make a big deal about his birthday first, and then I move on to Christmas. I don't even do any Christmas shopping either. So I did all of my shopping online, and everything got here. I did run out. I got a few in-person gifts, meaning I didn't order them online, but for the most part, everything arrived on time, and hopefully we're gonna have a really nice celebration. So this is our last number, $10. And like I said, if you add this total up, this gets us to $99. And we will put the money in our budget binder. So this is it. We made a little more progress. As you can see, I've been saving money. So again, this is the Low Income Savings Challenge book. As always, I will leave the link in the description box. And this is, I decided to use my purple one today, and this has my little pom-pom. And I've cleared this out, so I will just put this $100 bill in here. Oh, it's already open. Put this $100 bill in to seal the deal. And we are done. So thank you all so much for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Drop a heart or a money bag in the comments section if you want to see more of these videos. And I will, of course, talk to you in the next video. Bye for now, everyone.